Owning a Morgan is not so much about the car, it's about the experience and also about the people you meet.
I think it's because they're different.
I've just driven the new +6.
I've just test driven the +6.
I've just been out in the new +6.
I've just driven one of the most superb vehicles in my life.
The performance is amazing. It's staggering compared to my Roadster.
The figures are 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, and it certainly does. I mean, it's up at motorbike speeds.
That exceeded my expectations. It's quick off the line, but it's even quicker when you get it going. Very smooth. Yeah, it was great.
Being used to a Morgan anyway, I'm used to the fresh air and that side of it, but this particular vehicle just had that little extra, that little bit more, that plus.
It's very solid, it's very planted, but it still feels like a Morgan in the sense it's open and it's a bit quirky.
A lot smoother and refined, I suppose, than I was expecting.
Handles beautifully, turns in beautifully as well. So yeah, I was amazed at just how modern it felt, but still very definitely a Morgan.
You don't really expect it because like when it goes, you just go head back.
Stunning.
Thrilling.
Just fun.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
More than amazing.
One of the things with driving the +6 with the roof down is you feel part of the elements, part of the countryside.
You are almost at one with nature, really, because you can smell everything that's going on, you can hear and see everything. You're feeling, it's absolutely, it's superb. It makes you alive.